Okay, level set, ready for the shot. Rod is steady, go ahead. Measurement complete, 152.37 meters.
Check this beam schedule. The loads seem high. Let me see. It's the seismic factor. It's correct. Okay, good.
It's stable, rough texturating freeze. It's fibers bracings and secure anchoring.
The completed drilled pile foundation grid, seen from above, demonstrates precise engineering with its uniform layout and spacing. Hold this steady here. Got it. Pulling tight now. Good. Next one over. On it. Steady it there. Got it. Line straight. Good. Tie the base. Tie now. All right, bring the forks in steady. Good, lift it clear now. Place it down easy. Easy now, guide it in. Got it, crane, ease down. Aligning, almost there. Set, pin it. All right, bring it up. Coming up now. Good. Hold it steady. Got it. Next one. Easy now. Bring it down steady. Got it. Aligning now. Bolt it tight. Check the level. Looks good. Secure. Hold it steady. Got it. Pushing in. Good. Next bolt. Aligned. Go.
The mid-rise structure now clearly rises above the neighboring rooftops. Its height dominates the urban skyline.
Easy now, bring it down steady. Got it, lining up now. Pinch it there, almost set. Bolts going in. Okay, lift it steady. Got it, setting it down. Drilling now, hold it tight, holding. Hold it steady there. Got it. Tightening now. Good. Next bracket. Coating this beam now. Watch for drips. Got it. Looks even on this side. All right, forklifts here. Get ready to unload. Stop right there. Forks are aligned. Lift it steady now. All right, guide it in steady. Looks good. Keep pushing. It's in. Lock it down. Hold it steady, lining up the bolts. Got it, pushing down. Bolts are tight, good to go. Copy that. All right, lifting it up now. Keep it steady. Got it, moving to a line. Good, secure the bottom edge. All right, bring it down steady now. Copy that, lowering. Easy does it, almost there, locked in. Hold it steady, checking alignment. It's flush, rotate it clockwise. Got it. Looks good now. Perfect. Next one. Down easy, watch the wind. Copy it, swaying left. Hold it there. Aligning now. Locked, it's secure. Hold it steady right there. Got it. Feels solid. Good. Next one up. Hand me the stripper. Here, this feeder is ready. Good. Torque to spec. Hand me the stripped wires for the main breaker.
Here they are. Need the pliers next?
Yes, and check the ground. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Lifting now. Steady. A bit more to the right. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Lifting. Good. Now secure the top. Secured. Hand me the wrench. Here you go. Okay, powering it on. Looks good. Hand me that bracket. Got it. Here. Good. Powered up. Looks solid.